Hi there, this is question 9 from the June 2012 Unit 3 Edexcel paper, the higher one, and it is a little diagram of a school playing field, which is a rectangle, and it also shows the diagonals, and you have to work out the length of the four sides of the rectangle and its diagonals. It's essentially saying work out the total length of all the lines in the diagram. So if we first of all start with the perimeter of the rectangle, we've got two 52s and two 39s. We want to start, the first work you want to do is for the diagonals. So hopefully you'll spot, and I'll just demonstrate it using a coloured line, that the diagonals are part of a right angle triangle. We know it's a right angle triangle because it tells us it's a rectangle. So you've got a right angle triangle there, and to work out the length of diagonal we can use Pythagoras. So that tells us the two shorter sides squared added together will give us the longer side squared. So for the moment, if I just call the diagonal d, that would give us d squared. So if you do 52 squared plus 39 squared, so you have to trust me, you end up with 4,225, and that's the diagonal squared. So if we undo that by square rooting the 4,225, we end up with 65. So that's the length of one diagonal. But we want to work out the total length of all of those lines. So we're going to have two lots of the 52 metre length, two lots of the 39 metre width, and then two lots of the 65 metre diagonal, and that gives us 104, 78 and 130, and if we add those together we end up with 312 metres. The only difficulty to this might be spotting to use Pythagoras, but other than that, it shouldn't be too bad. If you didn't get it the first time, I hope that this was a useful process.